said, one of the first things that you should do to your BMW 1250 GS Adventure is to put the wider footprint here. The reason for that is that this can sink into either the dirt or to the ground. So we're using Touratech part number 01455277, and that works on the 2013 and above 1250 and 1200 GS and GSAs. So what you get in that kit is a base plate, a spacer, and then a top plate. And I'll show you how all those go together. And the rest of it is just some simple nuts, bolts, some washers, and then 2 adhesive pieces that go on this plate to keep any vibration down between the foot peg. The only thing you need is a T25 Torx head to put this together. Now I'm using this Wear a wrench. It is an amazing tool, fine ratchet. This bevels, I'll put a link in the description below. I'll show you the orientation. So if you can see, there is a smaller or a thinner end and a wider end. And that corresponds directly to how the foot is. So you can see that it fits that way, but it doesn't fit that way. So by orientation, you know that it needs to go in this direction. So just so you can see how this goes, you have the bottom plate, which will go to the ground. This plate fits on top of it. Then you have the top plate. So this kind of snakes around like that. And then basically you put this here and you sandwich it together like that. And that's what gives you that stable platform. It's not going to sink into soft asphalt during the summertime. And if you're off-road and you need to put the bike down, this gives you a much better footprint so that you're not going to sink into the dirt. So the instructions say to take this neoprene that they give you and kind of put it so that it matches the contour of the foot. So set it up kind of like a V pattern. That way, when you put it there and you squeeze, tighten everything up, it makes a really nice connection and it's not going to move around on you. So you can see on this that there is kind of a flat spot on both sides, and that's where this piece fits in. And so you'll have that on the bottom. And then you just screw everything together with your T25. So it should go pretty simple. So we're going to go ahead and get our plate up, put it like that. And what we'll do, so you can slide this. There is some adjustment forward and back, but I'm just going to keep it pretty much centered. And we'll put the first piece in the bottom just to get us started. Then, like I said, there's a washer and then one of your included bolts. It already has Loctite on it. So part of the beauty of this is you can turn it like this and kind of use it as a normal piece. And I just got that snug down just enough to start to get the other ones in place. This one is a little tricky because of the stands in the way. Then we're going to go ahead and just go around. All right. That's it. You have your nice Touratech logo, and you can see how that is. And then it swings up. And it just stays piastre. Your foot peg is flat with that, so it shouldn't irritate your foot at all. So if you want this in some more, you can push it in if it starts to interfere. So like I said, there is some adjustment for it, but like I said, it gives you a great kind of footprint to set the bike down. Okay, so that was the install of the Touratech extended foot peg. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys got something from the video. If you like what we're doing, give us a thumbs up and think about subscribing. This is Dan, and we'll see you on the next video.